Hey, this is the DIY Magician again, and we're on another episode of How to Make a Dog Puppet the Hard Way. Here it is, one of those mechanical dog toys, and unfortunately it came to me in condition that would not work. The little thing inside the bottom to attach the batteries into was damaged, so it was not able to function. So I don't even know what it does. Looks like it's from some sort of Mills. I'm not sure what that is. And it is a dog with a little hat, what have you. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and find out how to make a puppet out of this dog toy. Hang on. And there it is. Wow. Finally, I got the mechanism out, and I'm gonna go reach in here and dig through all the little paraphernalia in there, and I am going to have him talk. Are you there? How are you doing today? I gotta work on it a little bit, but I'll tell you what, this little guy, it could be quite fun if we do it like this. I'm gonna use my one of my center fingers. I could go, hello there. I'm talking with just the bottom part of my mouth. I guess I could go ahead and put some of these bars back in here, but there it is. You have a, looks like a gondolier guy. He can kind of go ahead and push a canoe or a gondolier through the waters of the canals. But there he is. Hello there. I'm a talking dog. Look at me. Well, there it is, making a talking dog puppet the hard way. Again, if you've been here before and you are having a good time, thank you for coming back. If you're new to this experience of the DIY Magician, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yes, please. And you'll get all the new videos as they come along. Thank you again.